Ever wondered how to grow and care for your own citrus trees? Well, you've come to the right place. This video will guide you through the process of cultivating your own lemons, oranges, and more. Let's dive into the world of citrus trees and learn how to grow and nurture them. First things first, choosing the right citrus tree for your garden. Consider factors like your local climate, soil type, and available space. From sun-loving lemons to versatile oranges, each citrus variety thrives under specific conditions. Once you've decided on the type of citrus tree you want, it's time to plant. Now that you've chosen your citrus tree, it's time to get it in the ground. Start by preparing the soil. You'll want a well-draining mix with plenty of organic matter. Next, dig a hole that's twice as wide and just as deep as your tree's root ball. Position your tree in the hole, ensuring that the top of the root ball is level with or slightly above the soil surface. Finally, backfill the hole, firming the soil gently around the roots. With the tree in the ground, the next step is providing the right care. Growing a citrus tree doesn't stop at planting. Proper care is essential for a healthy tree. Regular watering is crucial, but avoid overwatering as it may cause root rot. Fertilize your tree with a balanced citrus-specific fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Pruning is also key to maintain shape and promote fruit production. Keep an eye out for pests and act quickly at the first sign of trouble. By following these care steps, you'll have a flourishing citrus tree in no time. And there you have it, your guide to growing and caring for your very own citrus tree. We've walked you through the journey, from choosing the right citrus tree that suits your needs and environment, to planting it with love and care, and finally ensuring its growth and health. Embrace this green thumb journey, and you'll soon have a thriving citrus tree to be proud of. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.